Hi everyone. Right, I just thought I'll bring you along and let you watch. I'm going to make a little bunch of cherries. And to do that I'm using this ribbon, which we do have in the shop. You just cut them into, well, you need to cut circles from them. So I cut them about 2 inches and then just cut the circles. They don't have to be perfect, but you, as near as damn it, really. So you cut the circle, and you do need some bias binding or something. Some, God, what do they call it now? Seam binding. Oh, couldn't think of what it was called. So I've got about 1.5 inch circle there. Just singeing the edges, just sealing it off so it doesn't fray. And then, well, I would if I could find it. Here it is. Take my needle and some thread. And we're just going to make the berry. I mean, it's not red, I know, but your berries can be any colour you want them to be. Now, what I'm going to try and do is, I'm going to start a plaque, but I'm going to try to teach you how to just be a little bit more creative with your plaques, because a lot of people do the same thing, put a picture on, edge it all with lace, put a few bits of bling on and tassel a couple of flowers there. I've done a plaque. Well, I want you to be a little bit more creative and start doing a plaque with a scene on, which is, and you can do it all in fabrics and laces and whatnots. And it's just to experiment. It gives you a playground to play on. And even if it doesn't make sense at the end of it, look at the experience and the things you'll be able to say, right, I can do that, I can do that. And then you can put what you've learned or what you've been able to achieve into other projects. Because it's all right making a flower and everybody makes flowers, but if they all look the same, you're defeating your own creativity. So this is why when I do the scrap flowers, I use anything and everything. And then my creations, I've used what little bits of things I've got laying about. Well, they're all boxed and bagged, but you know what I mean. And I've been a little bit more creative with what I had. And it was better than it sitting in a box. So this is what I'm going to try and do with you. Just try and get that. Okay. So what we do is we do a little bit of circle. Oops. Let me get my little polyfiller stuff. We take a bit of polyfiller. And we pop that in the middle. And then we pull. And just, doesn't matter, they don't all have to be the same size. No cherries are. And I eat them, so believe me, I know that. And then we just stitch it up. Just go through one side to the other and pull it in. Best thing about doing anything like this is that you can actually manoeuvre it into place if needed. Right, so that's that. That's my cherry done. Okay. See? Now it doesn't have to be perfect. Take a piece. Now if you've only got white, use your Copic markers or your felts to colour it. I use a wide needle for a long needle for this. Oh, I can get it to fit. Half my problem is I can't see. There. Just put that on. Okay, so you don't need much. And then you find a nice spot on your cherry. Mine's going to be there because it's flatter in that section. And you need to take it away from the edge. You might need to wandle it about just to pull it through and keep going, it'll go. Mine's going there. Now, take that off your needle and put this roughly the same length. And then you twist. And twist it tight. Right, then you can pop it onto your project. Didn't think it was warmed up enough then. Pop your cherry on, like that. And keep winding this. Oops, see, it comes undone sometimes. Into a stem, and then add your two stems together. Or put them wherever you want them to be. It is up to you. And don't worry about that, because I'm going to add a leaf when I've finished. But it's just to be a little bit more creative. And I've made two cherries. And as you know, cherries don't need leaves there, although they need leaves here. So then what I can do is I can take, and now this is a little bit dark, but I'm not bothered. Take my tweezers. Snip a little bit of that off because it's too long. We don't want it too long. And I've just got enough thread, I think, on this needle to make another one of those. We need it a little bit, oh sorry, we need a little bit longer than that because I've got to make a stem, so we'll do that. So I'm going to fold that over, catch that. And I'm going to fold that over. A little bit of glue on my needle, I'm going to have to clean it off. Oops. Yeah, a little bit of glue on my needle. Just need cleaning off. So right across. Okay, then we're going to glue this in. Like so. Pin that together. Let me just clean my needle off because it's stiff with the glue. There we go. Right. We need to just snip that. And then we're going to twist. Find which is the best side. I want that side. Like that. And then we're just going to twist it. Keep going. Now, by now, if that's a little bit short and coming undone, we just put a stick of glue in there. Like that. Don't leave it flat. Let it have some movement. And then I'm just going to snip that. And we'll glue that into place. Like that. I can have that there. Now, I'm going to put another cherry here. So I'm going to go back to doing my cherry. just here, like that. Might move it down a little bit there, and we're going to twist. And I'm going to glue that down. Like that. And then we just trim that off. Now, I don't know what cherry leaves look like. I don't care. I'm going to do my leaves that I like. And so I'm going to rethread my needle. I need a longer one, actually. You know, I can... here's a piece. I'm just sharing with you what you can do and add. So, I'll just take that. Oh, where's that piece gone? Here. Right, and then what we can do is, because you can build on it, I'm basically just giving you the ideas that you can take away, draw what you want, design what you want, you know, and add it to your project. So I'm doing that. Sorry. Just don't worry about the stitching, that can all be coloured in. Now, then what I can do, I just take that, and I can pop that just there then. See? And it just enhances it that little bit more. So I'm going to do another one for that. Let's do another one. I mean, I could have done these all the way over and done lots of them. In fact, that would have looked better. I might just do that, actually. I've changed my mind. See, that's the whole point of being able to change your mind. I'm going to do it because I think it'll look a lot better. But I've not spoilt it. So, let's just do this first. And I'm going to put one there. See, like that. You know when you see them in magazine and they look really intricate and, oh God, I'll never be able to do it. It's not that. Look, it's how they display them that makes them look hard. They don't want them easy because you lot can think, you know, you'll be able to think, you say, oh, I can do that. So if they put it and make it look hard, it puts people off. So you just gather all that up together. I just hold it like that and then stitch back through it. And that's all it takes. When it's glued, it ain't going anywhere. Right, and then we can fan that out. Like that, see? And then we can put that on there. I like this better than the other one. Better than those leaves. So I'm going to put another one there now. I suppose I can do one there. I'm going to do one more. You could even add another one here. Like I say, if you haven't got green and you've got felt tip pens or you've got Copic markers, colour your own. Do everything in white and then colour it. That's what I sometimes do. The weather's been awful today. We had hailstorm before. We had no coats on yesterday. It's crazy. Typical British weather. So they say. There we go. I'm just going to spread that. And we're just going to pop that there. Now that looks better than them leaves, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I like that. And then if I wanted to, I could just cut around that. So I hope that's helpful. You can do an awful lot with very little. I want to put another cherry here. I don't know, it's something saying do the other cherry feet. I'm going to have to do the other bloody cherry now. I might put one here. Now, again, this week's parcels will be going out tomorrow. Everybody else's has gone out. If you haven't received them, don't panic. I always tell you. The way it is today with the coronavirus and whatnot, I would imagine they're all getting scanned like hell. But if it saves lives, who cares? Be patient, please. Because there's only me. I usually have help. And I've not been able to have help. So it's taking me twice as long to do the orders. And don't forget with the 2 draws on the 31st. Oh, we've also got the applique draw as well on the 31st. And I'm looking forward to those. If you've not already entered, if you've not already entered, then you need to go to the right video. One's you have to spend £20 in the shop, the other one is to spend £10 in the shop, so that all pockets, as many as possible that is, have the chance to win. So, oops, now that didn't look very... Yeah, I need to pull that in. Pull it in, Fee. We're going to loosen that up a little bit. I'm going to glue it like it's under there. Like that, and then that can go over it again, and then I can just snip that off like that. Matter if that's not perfect. There, and there's my cherries, me bunch of cherries. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.